Hey guys, so it's Malaya here, and I am going to be singing Payphone, and I don't know what that was. So yeah, I'm gonna be singing Payphone. I know it's a really old song, but I kind of felt like singing it, so deal with it. Yeah, okay. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture if you're not here next to me. Say it's too late to make it. Or is it too late to try? In our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned off the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time. But we call it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I wish I'd be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. All the stupid love songs, I'd be sick. Oh, turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow. You just gave it away. Can't expect me to be fine. Don't expect you to pay. I know I said it to go, but all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned off the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time. But we call it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. Man, a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happily ever after did exist, I wish I'd be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. All the stupid love songs, I'll be sick. Oh, I'm having a payphone. Oh yeah, guys, forgot to tell you, I know I'm like talking in the middle of the song, but I don't really know the rap part, so yeah, sorry. Yeah, I don't really know the lyrics to it. If I did, then I would sing it, so yeah. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happily ever after did exist, I wish I'd be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. All the stupid love songs, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Subscribe to me and comment in the box below. Comment in the box below. But only positive comments, no negative comments. And yeah, hope you liked it. Bye.